I cannot make 10 rupees in revenue and tell you guys that you want to buy my company, it's 100 crores. You'll be like, you're mad or what? You can be whoever you want, ghar pe hoga, idhar nahi, right? So that is what it is. Today I'm going to talk about Tesla. A lot of people have been asking me about the Tesla stock, the Tesla share that has been going up quite significantly in the last 1 year, and it's been going up really fast, right? And whenever something goes up really fast, it's great for all the people who bought it at a very low amount. But you should also be very careful when it goes up, because what goes up must come down. So first, let's look at Tesla. Okay, let's look at what's been happening with Tesla in the last 1 year. Now, Tesla has been on a golden run, right? It's been doing really well. Elon Musk, from a net worth of around 30 billion, has now almost become number one. I think he went number one as well for a few days. And just before I did this video, Tesla was just rocketing up. I think it was a 10-day or 11-day rally that was going on in Tesla. It just kept going up every single day. And then I told my students in the Pro League that, be careful, because Tesla might just drop right now. And it actually fell down by around 7.8% yesterday. Irrespective of that, what we have noticed is that in the last 1 year, right, at I think Jan last year, Tesla was trading somewhere around $104, $105. And now it has gone up to at least, I think it's gone up to around 811, which is almost a 10 to 12x jump, right? Which is insane, because from the 52-week low means in the last 52 weeks, which is last 1 year, what is the lowest it had gone to? And that was $70. So from $70, it's gone up to 811. So all the people who actually bought Tesla at a very young age, or actually even few years ago, would have made a killing at this point. Just look at the market cap. I think Tesla is valued currently at around $768.93 billion, which is very, 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 very big. Also, Tesla is predicted to be the first $1 trillion company, is what people are saying. But also, the most important thing to look at is the PE ratio, right? The PE ratio, which is the price to earnings ratio for Tesla, is currently at 1607, which is insane, right? Which is not normal from any standard, not normal from any angle at all, right? If people look at ratios, if people look at this is something that's just gone up too fast, and the fundamentals of the company are not supporting the fundamentals. Basically not supporting the fundamentals, and it's gone up too fast. We all love Elon Musk, and he's such a beautiful entertainer. He's a showman, right? And whenever he tweets something, or he just says Signal, buy Signal, and everyone starts buying Signal, or he says buy Dogecoin and everyone buys Dogecoin. We all love Elon Musk, and that is why it's going up super high. But also understand that at the end of the day, business is business, dhanda is dhanda. I cannot make 10 rupees in revenue and tell you guys that you want to buy my company, it's 100 crores. You'll be like, you're mad or what? You can be whoever you want, ghar pe hoga, idhar nahi, right? So that is what it is. So it's very stupid that the valuations have gone up so high. But if you see it from a futuristic perspective, it is okay, because yes, Tesla is the future. But if you look at it from a current scenario perspective, it is super, super, super high. My suggestion would be, right, that Tesla actually has gone up a bit too much. It is overvalued at this point. If you do want to invest in Tesla, then start saving up your money to invest in Tesla. But wait for a small correction to happen. Do not buy into the FOMO, because you will cry. The same thing happened with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin rallied from $4,000 to $20,000, a lot of people kept buying at 20,000 levels, and then it just crashed back to $7,000, stood there for a year and a half. And then after that, after a year and a half, they had to wait from the stock price of Bitcoin's price to go from 7,000 back to 20,000, from 20,000 go to 40,000, and they only made 2 times out of their revenue. At least they recovered it, right? So if you do want to buy Tesla, kuch jaldi nahi hai, there's no hurry. Just wait for a small correction. It might come down to around 600, 650 levels. I'm not sure, but it might definitely come down, because it is overvalued. But long term, guys, if you're saying, okay, dude, I don't care about all this, I'm going to invest in Tesla and wait for 10 years. Okay, I'm going to reap it for the next 10 years. Once they enter India, it'll definitely go up. See, if you're looking at it from a 10-year perspective, I also agree. Who cares about the price right now? But I'm just saying, thoda sabar rakho. Just wait for a little bit of time. It might go up, it might go down. If it doesn't go down, and if it starts going up, fine. At least you don't have that risk that you lose your money right now. Just invest it after that and chill out with that, right? And a lot of people keep asking me, where do you buy? How can you buy Tesla from India to abroad and stuff like that? So I've heard of 3 companies that do it in India. One is HDFC Security. It has tied up with a company called Global Investing. That's where I've made my account. Then there is something called Ind Money. I think that is one company, and IND Money. And then there is another company called Vested. I haven't tried the other 2. Global Investing is what I have tried, and I do it from that.